Let's draw a proud lion. First, make a round head. Deep pink. Yellow. Then, draw a muzzle and a mouth. Deep sky blue. Yellow-green. Magenta. Terrific! Now draw its long whiskers on the left and on the right. Gold. Aqua. Purple. Aquamarine. Orange-red. And small ears. Deep pink. Gold. Fantastic! Let's draw its magnificent mane. Orange-red. Nice one! Draw the lion's body. Deep pink. Gold. Very good. Don't forget to draw legs so your lion can run. First, 2 legs. Orange-red. And then 2 more. There you go. Now draw a tail with a switch. Deep pink. Neat! What a gorgeous lion you've made!